I have a Kitchenaid microwave that keeps beeping while it is off. From what I can tell, everything works fine, it just beeps all the time when it is off.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. So there are only two things that can cause your problem: either the touchpad is failing or the display board is failing. Just press and hold the control lockout button for 5 seconds and lock out the control panel. If the beeping stops, you need to replace the touchpad. If the beeping doesn't stop, you'd need to order and replace the display board. Hello again. I'm just following up because I haven't heard back from you and I see this question is still open. Is there anything else I can help you with?
There are currently some people in there where the microwave is, so I am going to check it on Monday and will get back to you. Thanks.
Okay, well, good luck.
Still beeping. Could you send me a link to the part? I am not finding it for some reason.
Okay, if the control lock is engaged and kit keeps beeping, you need to replace the display board. Below is a link to the part. Click here for display board. Hello again. I'm just following up because I haven't heard back from you and I see this question is still open. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Sorry, I am just getting back to you. It just got installed and the beeping is still happening. I tried pressing the control lock for 5 seconds and it still beeps. The beeping is sporadic.
If the beeping is sporadic, then that is a bad touchpad and the microwave thinks you're pressing a button when you're not. You'll need to order and replace the touch control panel to fix the sporadic beeping, so below is a link to the part. Click here for touchpad.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.